Hi fellow birdies! Welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to be trying out a delicious recipe called tamale casserole. These blue corn tortilla chips are actually organic. They look different than regular yellow or blue one. Or yellow or white ones. But to me they taste pretty similar. Hi fellow birdies! Welcome back to the channel.
In today's video, I'm going to be taking you step by step on a delicious recipe called baked feta pasta. Now this was actually popular on TikTok a while back, and I'm just now getting around to showcasing it. So I'm going to take you guys through the process and give you a taste test at the end. So are you ready?
Let's get cooking. Alright, so we are now back here to taste test this baked feta pasta. Nice and creamy. It's good. So good. I really like it.
I can see what you mean. Not that I blame cooked tomatoes are the bomb, just that, raw tomatoes not so much.
He loves cooked tomatoes. Not they're awesome. But what would you rate it? I'd probably give it like a 8 out of 10. Myself?
I give it 8.5.
You're a little bit higher. You must really like it.
Yeah, we should definitely add it for the meal platter for the future.
Salad sandwich. Are you ready? Let's get started.
To start off, drain and flake a can of tuna and combine 2 tablespoons of minced onion, 1/3 cup of mayonnaise, and 2 tablespoons of chopped celery. Mix together very well. Lay out 4 slices of bread and spread your tuna mixture evenly over 2 slices. Top with lettuce and you have a delicious sandwich.
Welcome back, birdies. Here we go. Let's give it a shot. Moment. Minced onion, like take an onion and cut it up. Onion cut up. Overall, how would I rate this recipe?
Confetti and finish with a dollop of cake batter cream. I can look, see the cream underneath that?
I know, it's dripping out.
Man. That cream in the middle is a game changer.
Yeah.
It's just pumpkin puree, some chicken stock, and spices and stuff. So, cheers. It's definitely a very interesting flavor.
But there's something about the spices that doesn't quite work with me.
That's it. For me, it kind of feels like the pumpkin's giving a sweetness. The spices are giving a spice, but I'm not sure the sweetness and spice work well together.
Exactly. Like say, cinnamon or whatever else, that works better. But for I think it was turmeric, cumin, and you'll see at the end of the video. But
I'm not saying it's bad, just average at best.
and it's kind of a doozy because this was rated actually pretty well.
Combine pumpkin puree, brown sugar, garlic, onion, ginger, cumin, and turmeric in the slow cooker. Add your stock, mix well, cover, and cook on low for 6 to 8 hours or 3 to 4 hours on high. Button below to subscribe and
Hit that bell to receive notifications.
we'll see you next video.
I was waiting for it to say that.
This is Krista
And Charles.
and yeah, bye birdies.